Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to verify phone number in Google Ads. So, okay, let's start with this. To verify a phone number in Google Ads, you typically need to link your Google Ads account with a Google Search Console, which essentially proves ownership of the website associated with your ad, thereby basically, verifying the phone number that is going to be listed on this website. Now, this is usually done by accessing the data manager, okay, section in your Google Ads account, and then linking it to your Search Console profile. So on your Google Ads account, click on the tools icon, then go ahead and click on Data Manager. And under the featured products, you want to click on Search Console, then click on Proceed, and you'll basically see this prompt, which asks you to link the Search Console to Google Ads. Select Link to begin linking the process. Just enter the website URL you'd like to link, and then go ahead and press Continue. And if your account successfully links, you'll see linked in the status column. And if your phone number is linked with that website, then you will basically have verified your phone number with Google Ads as well. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.